Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Chimes account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Chimes account, firstly open your Chime application. The home page of Chime will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option on the bottom of the screen. On the next page, to log into your Chime account, enter your email ID and password associated with your Chime account, and then tap on Login. Tap on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. By clicking Login, you will agree to receive the text messages from Chime to verify your identity. This is how you can log into your Chimes account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.